Wagwan, wagwan. It's your girl Kiissi, and today I'm gonna make for you curry shrimp with chickpeas. I never made curry shrimp before, but today I'm gonna do it. So as you can see, I have some shrimp here already washed, so I'm about to season it. So I'm gonna go right in and put on my seasoning. So right here I have some fish seasoning, but it's not only fish seasoning, I have seafood seasoning mixed with it. So I'm gonna put some over it. I'm gonna put some all-purpose. I'm gonna go in with some ginger powder. Okay. Some garlic powder. So I'm gonna put some of this curry season. It's what spur tree Jamaica curry season. I never used this before. I saw it in the store, so I said I want to try it. So I'm gonna put some on it. So I'm gonna put like half teaspoon because I never used this yet, so I don't know what the taste of it or what. And the final thing is my curry. This is my better pack curry. I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna put a little because I'm gonna burn my curry, so I'm just gonna put a little over it. So now I'm gonna rub my seasoning in. I put on the gloves because I don't want the curry to stain my hand. So I had some onions to it, some scallion and thyme and garlic. So I'm gonna leave it to marinate and then get down to business. You see me? That's a guan pan, what's a guan? It's time to get down to business. The stove is on, the pot is hot, so I'm gonna put some coconut oil. Just a little coconut oil. No, coconut oil go well with your curry. So over here you can see I have some carrots diced up, I have some Irish potato, I have some onions here, and over here I have my peppers. I have orange, yellow, green, I have some thyme here, and I have some pimento seed right here. So right now I'm gonna put my potatoes in because I'm gonna saute it. I'm gonna go in with my onions. The coconut oil smells so nice. My God. I'm gonna go in with my carrots. So now I'm gonna go in with some thyme and some pimento seed. I'm gonna make this stay like for 2 minutes. Smells so good. I'm gonna put some minced garlic. So now I'm gonna burn my curry. So I'm gonna put a little curry. I'm gonna burn it with the potatoes and everything. Sometimes it's good for you to burn the curry because you get that rawness of the curry, so it won't burn your stomach when you're eating your food. So now I'm gonna go in with some all-purpose seasoning because you already seasoned your shrimp already, so you want to season your potato and your carrot also. You can put any seasoning of your choice. Wish you guys could smell the aroma coming from my kitchen. Oh my God, the smell of coconut oil. Don't mind me, guys. So now I'm gonna add my shrimp in, already seasoning already. So I'm gonna add my shrimp in. I'm gonna leave it, turn up the fire a little bit. So you know when you see your shrimp start to change color to pink, you know that your shrimp is almost cooked. So So now guys, this is the pan that I season the shrimp in. So I pour some water in it, so I'm gonna add it to my shrimp. I'm gonna put a little piece of butter for extra flavor. Put 2 pieces, yeah. So I'm gonna leave this like for maybe 10 minutes to boil down and then come right back. And over here I have some white rice cooking, like 2 cups of white rice cooking. So as you can see, it's coming down. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna add my peppers. So the reason why I put the pepper last, because you want to taste that crunchiness when you're eating your shrimp. You don't want the pepper to cook too much. So I have a little tip more of the water, so I'm going to put it to it and leave it. Looks so delicious. I was going to add some chickpeas to it, but I changed my mind. I'm not going to bother with the chickpeas this evening. Look at that. Beautiful, succulent, beautiful dish. As you can see, my rice is almost ready. Look at that. Okay, so it's now ready. Look at that. Look at that gravy. Look at that nice gravy. So I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see the finished product of my curry shrimp. So delicious and smells so good inside here. So the rice is almost finished also. The rice is finished. So I'm gonna plate it right now and let you guys see. So there you go guys, that's the finished product of my curry shrimp. So you guys can like, subscribe, hit the notification button and tell me what you think about my curry shrimp. Thank you for watching and hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye until next time.